Hello. Today is the turn of our friend Hippo from Vtech. Very good brand of educational toys. As you can see, this little friend has lights and sound. You can see the speaker there and wheels. You can roll them. But let's see him talk.
I'm a hairy hippo stomp. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. H is for hippo. I'm a happy hippo. I want to take a swim. I'm ready to dive on in. I'm a hippo, big and round. I like to swim around. I'm big and love the water. I'm a hairy hippo stomp. 1, 2, 3.
Lights off.
Let's go.
You see the light working?
I want to take a swim. I'm ready to dive on in.
Lovely Hippo. If you're interested in any of our toys, you can find us in the link below. We leave the link if you're interested. We are Garra Shop. We love bringing new stuff for you every time we can. Try to give you the best service and work, best quality in second-hand products. We clean and disinfect our toys, so you'll be confident. The only thing is that when we send them, we don't put the batteries because, postage laws. So we're not allowed sending batteries. It needs 2 batteries AA, and then you will have hours and hours of joy. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll be back with our next video, our next toy testing toys. As you can see, this is fully working, lights and sound. Thank you so much. See you again. We are Garra Shop. See you guys. Love you. Bye bye.